We have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers, hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, let us watch as Blue Lions launches a flurry. Answered by 21945 from the red, the Robo-Orioles and the Flying Saucers. Flying Saucers robot clearing the gate, pulling up, launching, and shooting. Don't forget, Flying Saucers themselves are a top 10 team in here. So they are answering artifact for artifact. Right now, Blue Lions ahead slightly by about 20 points. Robo-Orioles and Flying Saucers keeping up the pace for red.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
Motion on all sides. All the robots get credit. And here's
3,
where
2,
we
1.
bring in the funk and bring in the noise. There we go. I like to hear the cheering for the Blue Lions there. Somebody make noise for the Red Lions too. Blue Lions keeping up the pace, pulling up by about 40 points. Red Lions, Flying Saucers shooting, landing a couple very nicely. Watch the robot 22858. Elegantly simple. Coming into the back gate, launching, but right now they look like they're a little bit stuck there. And so we're going to see what they do. Royal Engineers, meanwhile, keeping up the pace. They come in, they've got artifacts under control. They go into red's loading zone, pick up more. Golden Ratio, not to be outdone. Coming in, angling for a shot. Royal Engineers feed them, and they come in. And land 3, that was beautiful. Purple, green, purple. That was in the pattern. That will get Blue Alliance extra point. Royal Engineers actively coaching each other as they move. Golden Ratio doing their own thing, kind of like very calmly collecting up artifacts, continuing to score. Flying Saucers, unfortunately, seem to be immobilized against Red's depot zone. That is definitely affecting Red Alliance prospects as their companion, the Golden Robo-Orioles, continue to try to keep the side up on their own. Blue Alliance showing no mercy, pulling steadily ahead. They are now ahead by about 120 points. Flying Saucers definitely exhibiting technical difficulties, which is a pity. They were definitely a fairly high-ranked team. And it looks like Blue Alliance is keeping up the pace unhindered. As we get into endgame, 20 seconds left. Blue Alliance up, pushing 300 points for a score. This is going to be a convincing win if they keep up this pace. 21945 chooses to go park. 22858 manages to move finally, come in for a partial park. And
Scores going up on the board for that last match. The Blue Alliance will take the victory with a score of 36 to 172. That's going to mean Royal Engineers will move up to number 5, but 12-6-82 Golden Ratio will stay.